anything else you do on your own. So here's, we got to factor this. So whenever they say factor, it's implied that you're doing prime factorization. Okay? So whenever you see the word factor, it's always prime factorization. Unless they say something else. It's always implied that it's prime. Now what that means is you factor it until you can't factor anymore. So I'm going to fill out a grid. I'm just going to take the first term, which is x squared, and then I'm going to take the last term, which is negative 63. And I'll do the first one, okay? X times x equals x squared. So that means I've got x times x. Now what do I multiply to get 63? Well, 7 times 9 equals 63. Okay? So I'm going to put a 7 here, and I'm going to put a 9 here. Now, there's a couple of things that I need to address. One, the middle term is 2x. Now, remember that this plus this gives me my middle term. Also, I have a negative 63. So that means that either my 9 or my 7 has to be negative. One of them has to be negative because that's the only way I could get a negative 63. But the sum of this term plus this term has to be positive 2. In other words, 7 plus 9 has to equal positive 2. But I don't know if one of these is negative or if one of these is positive. Well, if I make the 7 negative, negative 7 plus positive 9 is definitely positive 2. Negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. So let's multiply it out and see. Negative 7 times x is just negative 7x. Positive 9 times x is just a positive 9x. 9x minus 7x equals 2x, positive 2x. So then my factorization, my prime factorization, well, we'll get back to that. This is x plus 9. That's positive 9, right? So x plus 9 times the quantity x minus 7. Now, we said it has to be prime. Can I factor anything out of those? No. So it's prime. Prime means I can't factor anything else out. Okay?